gosh.
Now, which other one is mine?
All those ones, I think.
Yep, all those on that side. Exciting.
Oh, maybe we should open it and find out.
Hey, guess what? This one's for Barbie and Tricky.
You guys.
Let's open that one. Batman! Open that one. It's a Batman toy. Aww. See this? Oh, I put a box for them.
Mm-hmm.
And I have this Batman thing.
Batman? You like Batman?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! It's a DS game!
Lower your voice. Ooh, new.
It's a DS game. It's the new one where Claude and David can't get in the race, so then the monsters race for them. I know.
Okay.
What is it?
Look, see on the back? Whoa! This one's from Grandpa Jerry.
Grandma gave me.
Yay, Monster High Paws!
You know what that is, Gab?
No.
It's a remote control robot. So it's a robot and you can move him around and he talks and dances. And... Yep.
What does this say? Who's it from?
Grandma Grandpa Larson.
Oh, yay!
Yeah. Yeah, you got more presents, huh?
Yep. I wonder what's in here. It's a treehouse, Polly Pocket.
Hang them on the walls.
It's really cool. Oh. And this,
Santa left you something in your stocking.
yeah.
Turd.
Pretty close.
Turn present.
Hey, come over this way a little bit so we can see it. Please.
Oh, it's closed here. Except just take down and go.
You just ripped the box.
It's full of gold in the toy.
Yeah. It's kind of like what you always play at.
Rick, bring it here.
Chucky Chance.
Well, yeah, and what's the one over here? Pete's place. Shaky.
That's from Grandma Lori. Grandma Lori tapes it down. There.
Oh, basketball thing.
Come on, you got more.
Oh, like a sweater. See the sweater?
Ooh.
Flip me. You guys are so anticlimactic.
What is this one?
I don't know. Maybe you should open it.
That one's from Grandma Michelle.
That's my grandma. Grandma H-O-R.
Lori. Grandma Lori. She writes her L's funny.
A police transformer. I knew that
Oh, yeah?
there's a knife or something to open this. Sometimes it transformer.
Oh my goodness.
That's what you wanted, right, Dad?
Here, unwrap it. Take all the paper off of it so you can see it.
Well,
Oh, the police box.
okay.
Well, let's open everything first.
This
better quit talking and get to cooking.
Mom, you know the CD? When they race, it's the same thing.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, now what is this? Whoa. I don't know what it is. It's a box.
Kevin, you got a box for Christmas.
No, there's that limit. You need a knife to cut it.
Here, Dad.
Look at this.
It's for the tub.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, a box for Christmas. What's it? Yay, a box for Christmas. Woo, woo. I want a box for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is to hit the holidays. That's the silly. Like if we pretend our guinea pig was the hippopotamus. I can't Could you take my jacket off? And you can hang these on the wall too.
How the heck you getting into that thing?
I don't know that.
Oh, more.
Oh, this is the coolest Batman.
God!
Yeah! What is this one? Is it the same thing? Almost. Almost the same thing. See the thing?
Yeah, you
Except
can-
See the swing?
You can hook them together.
Can you see the swing though?
Come on, Gab, you got more to open, pal.
Look at this.
Oh my. Lights up and everything. Oh my goodness gracious.
I have a lot. You see this? It goes with this.
What are you gonna cook me?
It's like popsicle stuff. Hey, it's popsicle. I made those things. It's easy to make others from the commercials. Look at it. It's real thing. I got it in Lego thing.
Holy cannoli. That's from Aunt Christine and Uncle Ryan.
Cool, dude.
Yeah. Another Monster High thing. It's a Monster High school. Look.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guess who that's from?
Look at
I don't know, that's why I tell you to open your stuff out here, so you're not all crammed in there.
Okay. I hear it. Hot wheel thing. I know to bring this. Thank you, Kobe.
That's from Grandma Lori.
Oh, thank you, Grandma. Thank you.
Cool beans, dude.
That's awesome. That goes on your wall too.
Yeah. And
Oh, really?
I have those two things that stick on the wall.
8 more presents to open. Silly buns.
Hey, this time it's different. See?
Whoa, that's a big one.
Oh my God. Look at the mess you guys have created.
Today we have to open all these presents. Look.
Another one? Cool.
Another Batman thing.
Holy cannoli.
Ravioli. Dad, these are yours. Here, I'll bring them over to you.
they're here.